Got my last piece of Tremolite here from collecting last fall, and I'm not sure what I can do with this to improve it other than stick it in table vinegar for a week and see if it will etch and expose any smaller crystals or clean up some of the larger crystals that are here. So let's get it done. Win or fail, we'll post it.
The rocks, Hank.
Here's the rock. So there's before. 3D. Woo, woo. And then we'll, in a week, do an after. See you soon.
The rocks, Hank.
Now they're minerals.
I'll be using just regular white table vinegar, which is 5% acetic acid. So let's get this thing into the liquid and then see how this rock progresses. There we go.
Did you check them for damage? Very delicate, all right?
Okay, so as it turns out, this is almost one solid piece of Tremolite with just a little bit of bladed Tremolite on the end. Fairly handsome specimen. Nice to know what it looked like inside. And the calcite is removed. The vinegar does actually quite a nice job. So, thank you for watching. We'll do it again sometime.